No matter our age, gender, race or religion, we all share a common thread. A quality education is vital to succeeding in our personal and professional lives. However, some of us face barriers which may delay the benefit from this. Distance or medical reasons, maybe constantly travelling or possibly feeling past the age to continue in their studies. If these or other circumstances have you feeling you can't pursue a quality education, we invite you to the School of Distance Education. Established in Charters Towers since 1987, the school utilises a wide range of proven and emerging technologies, including internet, teleconferencing, text and audio-visual materials and computers to break down the distance and social barriers and reach students of all ages. The School of Distance Education offers various flexible categories for students to maximise and enjoy their learning experience. Distance education, home-based learning, adult education, secondary school-based, travelling, international and medical. So for a wide variety of well-resourced learning programs that support the realisation of each student's potential and future success, distance is no barrier with the School of Distance Education. Visit the website to commence your enrolment now.